In this video, we'll break down the standard system of units and metric prefixes, two things you need to understand before diving into physics. Knowing these will help you measure, convert, and make sense of almost everything you will learn in science. So let's talk about these three things. The first one is length, mass, time. L, M, and T. These three and all other physical quantities can be constructed from these three: length, mass, and time. Now, what is the standard system of units? Well, the standard system of units is known as the SI system. The SI system is a measurement used in science and engineering worldwide. Now, here I will give you the 7 base SI units. So, here we will have the quantity. Here we'll have the SI unit. And over here, the most important thing, the symbol. Now, let's start with length. The SI unit for length is known as meter all around the world, and the symbol is M. For mass, the SI unit is kilogram, and the symbol is kg. For time, the SI unit is second, and the symbol is an S. Now for electrical current, the SI unit is ampere, and the symbol is A. For temperature, the SI unit is Kelvin, and the symbol is K. For amount of substance, the SI unit is mole, and the symbol is MOL. For luminous intensity, the SI unit is candela, and the symbol is CD. From the base units, many derived units are formed. For Newton, N, and Newton is for force, and 1 Newton is equal to 1 kg times m over s squared. A joule, which is J, for energy, 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton meter, which is equal to 1 kg meter square per second square. And for watt, W, and watt is for power, so 1 watt is equal to 1 joule per second. As you see, these are examples. Now let's move on to the most frequent used metric prefixes represented in powers of 10. So what are these prefixes? We have large values and small values. Let's look at the large values first. Alright, now let's learn the most frequent used metric or SI prefixes representing powers of 10. So over here we will have the large values, and over here later we will look at the small values. Alright, now let's take a look at the large value. So over here we will have the prefix. Over here we will write the symbol, the power of 10 over here, and on this one we will write the meaning. Now let's start with the first one. The first one is giga, and the symbol for giga is the letter G, uppercase G, and the power of 10 of giga is to the 9 power. And what is the meaning? It simply means that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 zeros. Yes, the next one is mega, and the symbol is big M to the power of 6. And this one should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. So it means 1 million. Next we have kilo, which is represented by the symbol K, and the power is 3. And it means 1,000. Next we have hecto, and hecto is represented by the symbol H, and the power of hecto is to the second power, and it means 100. Next we have deca, represented by the symbol DA, and to the power of 1, which simply means 10. Now let's look at the small values. So over here we will have the prefix, the symbol, the power of 10, and the meaning. Now we start with deci, and deci, the symbol is D, and it's to the power of -1, so we will have 1. And because the power is negative, we're moving towards the right. The zeros are placed towards the right, so that will be 0, but we need a decimal place and 1 digit towards the left, which is 0, so it's 0.1. Next we have centi, represented by the symbol C, and it's to the -2. And now, so we will have 0, 0, 1, but the decimal place here, 1 digit towards the left. You get the sequence. And then we have milli, and milli is represented by the symbol M, and it's to the -3, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0.001. Next we have micro, represented by this weird symbol here, like this, and it's to the power of -6. We will have 0.123455. That's 60. Next we have nano, and the symbol is N to the -9 power, and this means we will have 9 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the 1 and point, that's the meaning. So if you're still wondering what is this, well, these prefixes are used to make every large or small number easier to write and understand. For example, instead of writing 1,000 meters, you could simply 1 kilometer. Another example would be instead of 0.0000001, you could simply go ahead and write microsecond. Now there's no need to frustrate yourself, because right now I will teach you how to memorize these prefixes using a mnemonic to help you memorize the most common metric prefixes. So now let's move on to memorizing these prefixes in an easy and simple way. Right, so let me go ahead and draw 2 hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, we have 2 hands over here. This will be your left hand, and this will be your right hand. Now, let's go ahead and assign numbers to the hands. 1, -1, 2, -2, 3, -3, 6, -6, 9, -9. Now here comes the best part. Let's write here great. Let's write here mighty. Let's write here number 3, let's write king, and number 2 will be Hector, and number 1, let's write died. So It reads like this: Great mighty King Hector died. And you must be asking yourself, well, what is that? Well, here comes the memorization. Easy, easy. Great stands for the letter G, which is giga. Mighty stands for the letter M, which is mega. King will stand for the letter K, which is kilo. Hector for hecto. Died for deca. As you see, it's very easy in this way. It's simple. Now what about the right hand? On the right hand, let's go ahead and write drinking, chocolate, milk, Monday, and night. And now it reads like this. Let's start from great. Great mighty king, Hector died drinking chocolate milk Monday night. So this is very easy to remember. So drinking will be deci, chocolate is centi, milli is for milk, micro is for Monday, and night is for nano. So you see, you just memorize the most common prefixes from giga to nano. And if you see, these are to the power of 10. So if I say, what is centi? So simply using your hand, great mighty King Hector died drinking chocolate milk. As you see, chocolate is on the right hand, the second finger, and that's to the negative 2. So that's 10 to the negative 2. So this way, it's very easy to remember these powers of 10. Now that you understand SI units and metric prefixes, you are ready to take on the world of physics with confidence. Thanks for watching, keep exploring, keep asking questions, and I'll see you in the next video.